Ancient monument. The Great Sphinx of Giza is one of the oldest and largest monuments in the world, believed to have been constructed around 2500 BCE during the reign of Pharaoh Khafre. 2. Mystery of the nose. The Sphinx's nose is famously missing. It's often thought to have been destroyed by Napoleon's soldiers, but evidence suggests it was damaged earlier, possibly in the 15th century by some rulers who disapproved of idolatry. 3. Symbolic guardian. The Sphinx, with its lion's body and human head, is thought to symbolize strength and wisdom, acting as a guardian for the Giza Plateau and the nearby pyramids. 4. Largest monolith statue. The Sphinx is carved out of a single piece of limestone, making it the largest monolith statue in the world. 5. Unknown original name. The ancient Egyptians didn't refer to the statue as the Sphinx. Its original name is unknown, though some scholars believe it might have been called Enigmatic, meaning Horus of the horizon. 6. Alignment with the sun. The Sphinx is aligned with the rising sun during the spring and autumn equinoxes, suggesting its builders had advanced knowledge of astronomy. 7. Buried for centuries. Over time, the Sphinx was buried up to its shoulders in sand. It wasn't fully uncovered until the early 20th century after multiple excavation efforts. 8. Enduring mysteries. There are still many mysteries surrounding the Sphinx, such as the purpose of the tunnels and chambers beneath it and the exact timeline of its construction. 9. Restoration efforts. The Sphinx has undergone numerous restoration efforts throughout history, including major repairs in the 20th and 21st centuries to preserve its structure. 10. Influence on culture. The Sphinx has inspired countless myths, stories, and artworks throughout history, from ancient Egyptian mythology to modern pop culture, symbolizing riddles, mystery, and ancient wisdom.